back. Let's go to this section, know thyself, who thyself. So, what it means is when we know who we are, then we can understand the world around us. That means till now we've been always looking outside satisfaction, things, other things like expectations. Now we'll go inwards and understand that whatever we need is inside, whatever knowledge we need, whatever whatever you need, it is inside. Now it is going like you have to go inside in you into your infinite knowledge, and you will connect to the infinite universe, and whatever you touch will become gold when you know all these things and you practice these things daily. So you promised me that you will practice whatever I have taught you, so that you will be super successful. I want you guys, you all guys, super successful. Then I am successful. Otherwise, there's no fun. Okay? We all need to win, and it is all about win win. So the timings will be like meditation. You can do it 20 minutes wherever you want, whatever time is perfect for you. Usually, when you get up, you do exercise. After that, take a shower and then do meditation. And after that, you start your food. And it depends on you how you're going to, how you are comfortable, but do it. So wherever you are in a bus. When you advance in gold and diamond and quantum, then you will be like you will learn more about it, how you can optimize your time and how you can practice meditation. You don't have to get extra time. So whatever activity you will do, but once you like advance into gold, diamond and quantum, so you'll learn that there's a Pali word which says Adapi Sampajana Satima. It is like 24 by 7 we have to meditate. So you learn that in advanced levels, and you will be super conscious, super aware. That will help you in your life to achieve any goal. And then there is this mindfulness practice which we have already done. So it is paying attention to to the meditating object and learning to remain in present moment, and whatever you want to achieve will be achieved only in present. When you act on that idea in present moment, then and only you will achieve that, and if you give 100%, excellence will be there. Okay. Then there are five aggregate models, the ancient model of the mind: material form, feeling, perception, volition, sensory consciousness. The ancient model of mind is like journal known generally known as the five aggregate model. These are the five aggregate model. Material form is includes both physical and body, external, where material elements and all, like material, external, all these things. So feeling is, it is internal. It can be pleasant, it can be unpleasant, it can be neutral. So it is up to you. You want to be neutral, you want to be like in good or bad. So it is always suggested that you be in economous, you be in pure. But you will, when you advance, you go to gold and diamond and super conscious, you will learn purity of mind. There you will actually learn how to be peaceful, how to be infinite happier, and how to achieve your goals. So perception, it is represents being aware of the attribute of object, color, shape. This is the perception. Volition is like representing bodily, verbal, physiological behaviors, so actions and all. Sensory consciousness is seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. These are the sensory consciousness. So these are the five aggregates, and then let's come to the cultivating self knowledge and wisdom. How you can do that? Like Practicing mindfulness can be utilized to gradually develop self knowledge and wisdom in school, education, in your business, anywhere, whatever you are doing. So when you practice meditation morning and evening, what will happen that you will have a different kind of mindset when you are working. You will be holistically there. You will understand things from 360 degree, and it will cultivate self knowledge and wisdom. So there are five principles which you need to consider at this level, which is no killing of any being, no lies, no misconducts, no intoxication, no stealing. These are the five principles you have to observe daily while meditating and in 24 by 7. So that when you go to the next levels, gold level, diamond level, and quantum, it will help you much deeper, well, and you will be able to achieve goals that way. How to practice daily mindfulness? As I have mentioned, it is like sit in a peaceful place, have one place, have a cushion, sit straight, close your eyes, and watch your deep breath, the breathing, like the breath coming in, where it is touching, when it goes out, where it is touching. Have your attention there. If it wanders away, bring it back. If it wanders away, bring it back. So it's like the breath coming in. Close your eyes right now. Let's practice again. So, breath coming in. Where is it touching the nostrils? Which part? When it comes in. So, when it goes out, where it touches, when it goes out, which part of nostrils it touches, and when, like, if your mind wanders here, there, past, present, good, bad, so bring it back with compassion and love to this moment where it is touching, when it comes in, when it goes out, where it touches, which part of the nostril, and be there, and that is accepting reality as it is, and whatever pain, pressure, whatever is there, accept it as it is, and be equanimous, be balanced, accept it. It is part of everything. So just accept, don't judge anything, and practice this same meditation for around 20 minutes. I will, you can go into below section and you will upload, I will upload a audio for this 20 minutes audio. You can go and practice daily, morning and evening, this exercise, and you will learn 360 mindfulness, and then we'll go into gold, diamond, and other levels where we'll advance and you will become a superhuman being, and whatever you touch, you will get it, whatever, but positive, and which creates value for people and serving people. So no, and will not use it to harm any human being, any being. So thank you so much. So we'll go into next section where we'll learn what is next. Thank you so much. Thank you.